the rapidly growing world of cannabis and CBD, it's become very clear that not all products are created equally. So I've challenged the lab team here at British Cannabis to show me their testing process and to prove to me that what it says on the box is actually what's in the box. Matt, hi. I'm Christian.
Nice to meet you. I'm Matt.
You are important. You're the head scientist here at British Cannabis, aren't you? Tell me a little bit about what you do.
So, here at British Cannabis, we've had a dedicated cannabis CBD consumer testing lab since 2016. And actually, more recently, we were invited to be part of a government ring trial.
What does all that mean? Why are you doing the testing? Why is that important?
So the testing is important from our point of view to ensure that our customers are getting a product that's safe, legal, and as described.
And do you have to be doing this?
It's not a legal requirement as yet, but the regulations around CBD are definitely getting tighter.
And if I want to see your results, are they readily available for me to look at?
So the results of all of our batches are available on our website. So you just take your batch code off the product and type it in.
And anyone can do that?
Yeah.
That's very good. If the results are good, I'm presuming. And how do you do this? How does the testing process work?
So here we use our high-performance liquid chromatography machine.
I remember chromatography from school. That is, actually it was quite fun. It was blotting paper, discs, wasn't it? And coloured inks, and it separates it all out.
Absolutely, and this is almost exactly the same process. So
just a lot more expensive, right? I bet.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So I prepare the sample and place it in one of these wells here. Mm-hmm. And then from there, the sample is taken into the machine and separated based on the size of the molecule. And the machine then produces this graph where each peak represents a molecule that is detected. So the time of the peak tells us which molecule it is, and the size of the peak indicates how much of the molecule is in the sample that we've tested.
And so what things are you looking for specifically?
So here we test for 11 cannabinoids, the two most notable ones being CBD and delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC.
I wonder what that's worth at Scrabble. That's a good one. Okay, and I know the law around this is quite strict about how much, what you can and can't have in your product.
It is, yeah. So the law stated is 1 milligram of controlled substances per closed container. So while the most notable controlled cannabinoid is THC, there actually are others.
And so why is all this so important?
Well, the important bit really is credible results. So we could take shortcuts and test one batch a year, one product a month, like some companies do. But what we want to do is test every single batch. So whether we make a new batch every day or every month, every single batch is tested.
So you're busy.
Very.
And so other than the cannabinoids, what other things would you test for?
Well, we test for the absence of pesticides, microbes, heavy metals, mycotoxins, and residual solvents.
Is this sort of quality control measure as well as
Absolutely.
Everything else? And in your experience then, are some products very much better than others at complying with that?
Definitely. There's quite a lot of range in the industry. There are some that are pretty good, but others not so good.
You see, that's what I've heard, and that's why actually what I've done is I've got together some of the most widely available CBD oils on the market, because I want to see that for myself, really.
Okay.
I'd like you, if you would, to test them through this process that you've just explained, and we can see exactly whether what it says on the bottle is what it contains, and also whether they contain other things that they really shouldn't contain. Is that possible?
Absolutely, yeah, we can do that for you. The test will take a little while, however, so I can bring the results up to you later on.
I look forward to that very much. Thank you.
Thanks.